What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a high skin fade, number 5 on top, stretched blend. I'm all worked up. This is my first video of the day. I've been wanting to record for a long time. I found the perfect model. I'm all worked up. I'm ready to go. Shout out to Cuss from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Shout out to Angelic Cuts with a Z. He's a YouTuber. Please feel free to look him up. This is my all-blade guy. I'm all worked up. If you're new to the channel, I'm suggesting that you subscribe right now. If you're already a subscriber, you know what it is. Let's go! All right, it's gonna be a close shot. This is business as usual. I start the videos very much the same way every time, all the time. You already know my style. The other side of the haircut has already been taken care of. The purpose of this video is to share my all detachable blade fitting techniques with you guys. I'm excited. You're excited. The channel is growing. Oh my God, the channel is growing fast. Yes, I know it's under 1,000 subscribers for now, but it won't be too long before I pass 1,000. With that low number, I'm still excited. I'm still worked up. Barber Illuminati. This video is going to be fast. I'm pushing for time. As always. My routine is still the same. Shout out to all Cuts on my left. I see you. Barber Illuminati. Vic the Barber, the real Vic the Barber, is in the house. Mr. G's in the super VIP section. I see you. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. Chicago, stand up. Boom. All right, I'm going to take a minute to blend in the sideburns so I don't have to concern myself with that later on. I'm going to take care of this right now. This is the 5-0. I'm basically reverse blending the sideburn a little bit. We're not doing the beard, just the sideburn. That was the 000. Now the 5-0, the OA actually, is just the same steps, but this time upside down. Boom. As you can see, I'm moving fast. This video will not be long. It's going to be quick, brief, and effective. Boom. Boom. Alright, I'm going to move on to my first guideline, which I usually do with the OA. Let's go. OA. This is my first guideline. Then the 000 coming up. Under it at an angle. As usual. Get in there. Boom, then the 5-0. Get in there. Shout out to Rum the Barber. He followed me on Instagram. A little while ago, this gentleman left me a beautiful comment. This is the most beautiful comment I've ever seen. And I'm just going to keep shouting him out. He liked every picture, every video. I appreciate that. If you guys want to get in touch with me, the best way to contact me is on Instagram, Barber Illuminati. I'm very much following the same step as usual. If I don't say too much in regard to certain steps, this is the same usual steps. I'm not doing anything different here. I keep the styles consistent. I don't want to confuse anybody. I think after certain videos I'm going to switch up the style, but as of now, it is what it is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps quickly, just to make sure my blend is nice and crispy, as usual. This is the 08 I have on right now. Then the 000 behind it. Get in there. Boom. The 50. Get in there. Run this up a little bit. Yes, sir. 50. Get in there. Boom. All right, we're looking good. All right, I'm going to move on to my number 4 blade. Keep in mind I have a 5 on top. I'm going to move into the 4 at an angle. 3, 2. Then I'm going to use my 1.5 to start seriously blending under it. Let's go. Now this is my number 4 blade. Boom. Then my 3.5 coming up. This is a stretch blend, that's what I call it. Boom. All right, I'm going to move on to my number 2. What the heck is it? There we go. I found it. Boom. Number 2, get in there. I keep it on the angle so we can automatically blend with the 3.5. All right, move on to my 1.5. All right, get in there. Once again, my number 2, I think I explained that yesterday. My number 2 blade no longer pull, as you can see. If you watch my videos regularly, the Angelic Cuts helped me out with that. He discovered that when he converted his ultra edge in this blade into a ceramic edge blade, the number 2 blade no longer pull. So I cannot take credit for the discovery. Angelic Cuts with a Z He's an all blade guy as well. He's a YouTuber. He's the one that helped me discover. He's the one that discovered the whole thing. He passed it down to me. In time, I will take full credit for it, but not right now. Barber Illuminati. So if you have a number 2 blade that pulls, get yourself a ceramic edge, turn it into a ceramic edge blade. It's on. It won't pull again. So that's the information. As of now, I'm down to my number 1. I did 1.5. 1A, 1. This is the 1. This is the 0A coming up below the 1. The real Victor Barber, you can relocate that light, you know? The one that Cortez is not being used, if you like. I see, cutting in the dark. Now that's Barber Illuminati. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 3.5 blade. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps, 3.5 coming up. Get in there. Boom. Quickly, number 2 coming up. Boom. 1.5 coming up. All cuts, I see you. Very nice. 1.5 below the 2. As you can see, I'm nice and electric today. I'm taking the all blood spirit, taking me over. Barber Illuminati. Then the 1A. Get in there. Below the 1.5. By the way, I'm using my animal clipper. The client just found out. It's an animal clipper. Hopefully you feel like a stallion. But this is a animal clipper for dogs and horses. And this is the 1. No, I don't cut animals. I cut human with animal clipper. I'm just giving a human animal experience. How about that? Victor Barber, I see you. Nice work. The real Victor Barber, by the way. Okay, this is the OA. Below the 1. Nice and soft this time. Nice and soft. Nice and soft. We don't want to get too excited right now with that OA. Nice and soft. Boom. And then I'll do a tad bit of the 000 in certain spots. Just a tad bit. Boom. Alright. Quickly, I'm going to repeat the same steps this time just to soften it up a bit because I took a lot of time blending the other side nice and clean. So I want to make sure the right side that I'm recording is also super clean as well. This is the number 2 blade. I'm going to repeat some of the steps quickly and then move on. Then the 1.5, I just put down the...
That one you would have to ask Mr. Red.
Huh? What's that?
That what product can you put on these sponges?
Well, I don't have any right now. Just go to the beauty supply store. They'll just ask them.
Oh.
Yeah. There's plenty different products. Just go to the beauty supply store, tell them what you want to do, they'll recommend something.
Okay.
Right. But as of now, I don't have any. All right, this is my number 2. Below the 1.5. Now this is the 1A. 1A. Below the 1.5. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of that one. That'll be it. Boom. All right, YouTube. This is the cut. I'm gonna do a quick spin.
Check it out, Mr. Rick.
Boom. Oh man, this is the best of them all. All right, hey, give me a moment, okay? I'm telling you. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm gonna do a quick tidy up on the hairline, and then we're gonna move on. Boom. I'm telling you, that was fast. This was done under 20 minutes. All right. The only thing I owe you guys on this video is to do a quick spin, and we're gonna get out of here. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. Look at this. All right. All right, YouTube, this is a cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Once again, this is the Barber Illuminati production. I'm excited. This haircut come out nice and fresh and clean. I'm telling you, I'm like a kid in the candy store. Oh my God. Wow. This is incredible. All right, I'm gonna do a quick spin. Then we're gonna get out of here. Wow. All detachable blade haircut tutorial is serious. Wow. This is amazing. Look at this. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. 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 This is amazing. Wow. This is incredible. Wow. This has never been done in the history of mankind and recorded history. There's never been an all detachable blade haircut tutorial channel, and there will not be any more. After this, there will be no more. This is the only haircut tutorial channel in the universe in recorded history. This is the only, I repeat, this is the only haircut tutorial channel in the world, in the entire universe, on this planet and beyond. Barber Illuminati.